All right, the saga continues. Oh, jeez, my thing is still running. Oh, I'm like really off the ground. All right, so even though you put it in neutral, if one was wheels on the ground,
Hey, this is pretty cheap lug nut. You see it's all fucked up now.
Yeah, you got some cheap ones, Rob?
Go junkyard and get the Honda one.
Honda ones.
yeah, but these were $1 a piece.
Yeah.
That's
But, fucked it up.
O'Reilly wanted like $3 a piece,
Huh.
but I thought we got a deal for $1 a piece. My friend said it was cheap. Be like, can I get a refund?
Shit. Can I get a couple more now? Because those were shit.
Hey Ben, you got engineering background or are you a computer science guy?
Computer science, man.
Oh, computer science.
Yeah.
No, he's just mechanically inclined.
That's why I bought it.
Come on. Don't shit. Got it?
In there.
Look, he's smart. He did it. He biked that thing.
He came from Fairfield.
Oh, yeah? Fairfield?
Yep.
Dangerous
Look
place.
at the bike.
What? I
Oh,
didn't know
that's a
Fairfield.
nice motorcycle.
That's his.
That's my bike.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Okay.
Oh, I like those old school ones.
Huh? It's all
Thank
done?
you so much.
That's all original, huh?
We'll put it back together. Thank you.
Okay, you go. You go home before you
Okay.
get traffic.
Okay.
Oh, you're the best.